Welcome to the AP Chemistry YouTube channel here. I'm going to be doing FRQ number 9 today. The question is, describe the reasoning behind each of the following observations. In each part, your response must include specific information about both substances. So the first one, 1A, is at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. Fluorine is a gas, while iodine is a solid. So the reason fluorine is a gas is because it has less electrons, meaning therefore it also has less dispersion, meaning it's easier for it to be a gas, pretty much. And the second question here is, the melting point of NaF is 993 degrees Celsius, while the melting point of CSCl is 645 degrees Celsius. The reason that NaF has a higher melting point is because it's smaller, and therefore it has a smaller internuclear distance because it's smaller as a molecule. And because it has a smaller internuclear distance, it also has a greater lattice energy, which makes it have a higher boiling point. And CSCl has a lower boiling point because it's bigger and it has more internuclear distance and a smaller lattice energy. And the last question is, ammonia, NH3 is very water soluble, while phosphine, pH3 is only moderately soluble. So NH3 and pH3, what determines the solubility in water is how many IMFs it shares. And because water is like one of the most polar things, whichever one of these is more polar would be more soluble in water. And H2O, NH3, and pH3 all have dispersion forces, and they all have dipole-dipole forces, and therefore only H2O and NH3 have H bonding, and they share it, and pH3 does not have H bonding. So therefore H2O and NH3 would be easier to react together. All right.